Alaikum. I'm Dr. Uzma Siraj, Head Department of IR, Federal Urdu University, Islamabad campus. I would like to congratulate Chairperson, Department of International Relations, Dr. Asghar Dashti, Dr. Faisal Javed, and all faculty members for holding this wonderful conference. And I would also like to thank all of you for providing me this opportunity to present my research paper on this platform. The title of the paper is "The Road Leads to Connect: Prospects for Pakistan-Poland Relations in the Context of Greater Eurasian Connectivity." So here are some of the highlights of the presentation. I will be briefly talk about the history of Pakistan-Poland bilateral relations, current economic relationship between the two countries, and potential areas of trade. As the title suggests, that this paper deals with the importance of geographic connectivity in developing Pakistan-Poland relations and how it is linked with economic opportunities for both countries. For this purpose, I will briefly look at the Poland's growing interest in Asia and how Pakistan's geographic importance, regional connectivity drive, developing road and transport infrastructure under CPAC, and other connectivity projects can potentially benefit Pakistan and Poland relations. So here is the brief history of Pakistan-Poland relation. Pakistan and Poland are located at the two opposite ends of Eurasia. Being geographically apart and due to multiple security and political issues, both countries have not been able to establish strong economic relations in the past. Pakistan-Poland relations date back to the 1940s. After the independence of Pakistan on 14 August 1947, Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, made the first diplomatic approaches to the People's Republic of Poland, and finally on December 17, 1962, Pakistan became one of the first Muslim countries to establish relations with the then communist government of the Poland. Poland opened an embassy in Karachi in 1962, but moved it to Islamabad in 1965. Pakistani government opened its embassy in Warsaw in 1969. Then some unfortunate events of 1970 caused a long disruption in Pakistan-Poland relations. However, after the fall of communism, a fresh attempt to mend these ties was made, but it also went futile during the war against terrorism. However, with the changing dynamics of the world and shifting of the world economic center to Asia, construction of cross-continental road transport infrastructure, and growing emphasis on regional connectivity, both countries are in a position to provide a solid base to their bilateral relations. The concept of regional connectivity through China-led infrastructure projects like BRI and its flagship project CPAC provides a window of opportunity to both states for establishing strong bilateral economic relationship. This could be a starting point for Pakistan and Poland to embark on a journey to establish strong relations in the Asian century. This study explores that how Pakistan can become a gateway for Poland to enter and explore South and Southeast Asia through CPAC. It will also discuss the prospective avenues of cooperation between Pakistan and Poland with the help of economic and trade data to ascertain the possibilities of close bilateral relations in the context of greater Eurasian connectivity. So, these two slides discuss current economic relations between Pakistan and Poland. The bilateral relationship between Pakistan and Poland are non-traditional. Current situation of Pakistan and Poland bilateral trade is not promising. In 2022, Pakistan's total export to Poland stands at $350 million, while Pakistan's import from Poland in the same year are approximately $160 million. So this is not a promising figure for a country with 220 million population. This is not a promising figure for a country of 220 million population in Poland, which is one of the fastest growing economy of the Europe. So to understand the current state of economic ties between Pakistan and Poland, this slide presents a list of Pakistan's top 25 trading partners. Countries that imported most of the Pakistani shipments by dollar value during 2021. Also shown is each country's imports percentage of total Pakistani export. And this table clearly demonstrates that Poland is at the 18th number in Pakistan's trading partner list. While the second table shows that top 25 trading partners of Poland, unfortunately, the fifth most populated country, Pakistan, is not there. Almost 88.4% of Polish export in 2021 were delivered to the above 25 trade partners. Poland's total exports in 2021 stands at $317 billion, and 85.9% of this trade is done with EU countries. Here is a list of Poland's top trading items and Pakistan's potential exporting items for Poland. So after looking at the current economic conditions of Pakistan and Poland trade and their current economic potential, two questions arises here. What are the prospects for developing economic relationship between fifth most populated country of the world with one of the most important and largest economy of the Central Europe? And secondly, what role might regional connectivity projects can play in this regard? How Pakistan's geographic location in the major connectivity projects like CPAC and BRI can contribute to connect Pakistan and Poland for the economic purpose, and how these roads would lead Poland to explore not only Pakistan, but further Asian and Southeast Asian markets. Pakistan's geographic and infrastructural potential. With around 220 million people and strategic location at the crossroad of South, Central, and West Asia, Pakistan has the potential to become a regional economic hub. One way to get there is by developing economic corridors, defined geographic areas with modern transport and trade infrastructure, facilities, and policies that will spur economic activity within the country and with its neighbors. Economic corridors involve infrastructure, industrial, and urban development. Done well, these can be fertile grounds for the investment opportunities that will result in more economic activity, jobs, and faster movement of people and goods, and increased intercontinental connectivity. Good infrastructure is the backbone of economic corridor development. Efficient multimodal transport network, including road, railways, and ports, link urban centers to domestic and international market and encourage travel and enhance trade. Pakistan must capitalize on its transit potential through the infrastructure and construction of Gwadar Port under CPAC and by connecting it with other corridors of regional connectivity initiatives. Pakistan is maximizing its strategic location through connectivity and economic integration with other member countries of the Central Asia, West Asia, South Asia, Middle East, and with European countries. These regional connectivity programs like CPAC, BRI, corridors, and CARIC will definitely help to increase connectivity not only between Asia and Europe, but for Pakistan and Poland as well. Poland is located in Central Europe, and this factor alone demonstrates great potential for international trade. But only a meager 11% share of Polish trade items are being exported to Asia. Out of top 25 exporting countries of Poland, only one is located in Asia, and that is China. Similarly, European Union is the largest trading partner of Pakistan, but Poland stands way below in Pakistan's trading partners in Europe. Today, Poland is the world's 22nd largest economy, 8th in European Union, with a high share of modern industry in GDP, modern agriculture, and a large stake in European processing industry. Since 1991, Poland is the only European country with consistent GDP without decline, boasts the highest growth rate for several years, and is a leader in Central and Eastern European region. Cooperation with China, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, India, and Indonesia is developing faster and faster. There are more and more purchases in cooperative chain, more semi-finished products and parts, and finished products such as clothing and raw materials. After looking at the Polish economic potential and their overwhelming trade with Europe, here is the Poland's effort to expand its economic relations in Asia. Polish-Asian Chamber of Commerce was established in April 2016 as the initiative for Polish entrepreneurs with the mission to deepen the internationalization of Polish companies. The Chamber helps members to efficiently match demand and supply by identifying the needs and connecting them with reliable business partners. Polish-Asian Chamber of Commerce efforts offer its members to a wide range of services including business consulting, economic analysis, PR services. Moreover, the Chamber organizes events such as business missions, conferences, seminars. And due to wide network of contacts and great experience of its members, Polish-Asian Chamber of Commerce is an attractive business partner and is an added value for entities that are interested in developing their business for foreign markets and promoting their companies in the international business environment. Among many benefits of being a member of it, offers access to wide network of contacts, including Polish and foreign companies, exclusive invitations to the meeting with the leading figures in business, politics, and organizations supporting business development in Poland and abroad. Polish-Asian Chamber of Commerce present great avenue for Pakistani entrepreneurs to explore business opportunities with Poland along with other Asian countries. So I would briefly conclude my presentation. Pakistan and Poland have not been able to develop strong ties in the past, but 21st century presents them great possibilities to come together, enhance economic cooperation, benefit from each other's potential, and play their part in greater Eurasian integration. Poland's growing economic power and Pakistan's geographic potential through CPAC and Gwadar Port and other regional connectivity projects will bring numerous opportunities in this regard. And business community from both countries must explore opportunities for their shared future. Thank you so much.